welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can see, I am rocking a super cute blonde bob. This hair is brought to you by Unice Hair Company. So of course I'm going to show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that is something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a lot of goodies. Can we just take a moment to talk about Unice's branding? They gave me a robe, a silk wig bag. They gave me so much more goodies on top of that, which was an elastic band, a brush, some eyelashes, a bonnet. Girl, Unice was spoiling me, okay? I love Unice. Like, Unice is always top tier in my eyes. Like, you already know. If you guys ask me, my favorite company is always gonna be Unice, okay? So as you can tell, I am trying on this bob. It's a blonde ombre bob unit, 13 by 4, 150% density, and she's at 14 inches. And of course, I'm going to layer this unit because I just love the layered look on a bob. So here I separated the frontal from the closure, or the frontal from the tracks. And as you can see, I'm doing 4 parts. So 2 in the back, as you can see, and then 2 in the front. I'm gonna layer this first just because the hair is already straight. So it's gonna be easier for me to cut and layer before I do my bleaching. So as you can see, I'm working on one side. I bent the dome head forward like my client is looking down, and then I raise the hair up and cut about 2 inches off. This is going to create a lot of volume within that hair so it doesn't look super flat. So if you love the voluminous rich wife look, like you guys were saying in the last video that I did this, then this is going to be very important to do on the wig head. So after you do that first cut, I just basically line up the rest of the hair to the same cut. Don't worry that the hair in the back falls a little bit because the hair is shorter in the back than it is in the front. So here I'm just cutting about 2 inches off, lining it up with all the other hair, and then once I finish with one side, we're going to do the same exact thing on the other side, matching the middle part of that hair and just making sure everything is cut evenly. So yeah, you guys, I feel like I did a better tutorial in the first bob layering, but I definitely wanted to try it in a blonde format because I just was obsessed with how it looked in black hair, and then you guys loved my hair in the blonde part. And so after I finish both sides, I then cut off 2 more inches straight across, just because, yeah, we want everything to be more shorter. It's summertime, it's hot. We don't want our neck to be just covered and sweating out our wigs. We just want the short look for the summertime. It's hot. It's hotter than normal, okay? Every year it just gets hotter. I don't know why. Like, come on, global warming. Come on. But anyways, as you can see, I am finished with the back, and see how the first piece is shorter than the rest of the hair? That's how we like it. It's going to create maximum volume. So now we are working towards the frontal. We're going to bend that head towards the other side, the opposite side of each part. See how I bent the dome head, and then I raise it up to the sky. Raise it up to the sky, y'all. We're going to match the shortest piece with, we're just going to cut from the shortest piece. As you can see, that's the shortest piece, so I'm just going to cut that all the way down. And then after we do that, we're going to match the rest of the hair when it falls. So I hope that makes sense. Oh my goodness, I am horrible at explaining hair videos, but visually you guys can see I'm just matching the rest of the hair. This is going to create the longest pieces in the front and the shortest pieces in the back. So it just gives you that, like, you know, you can run your fingers through the hair. It can go either way, middle, side part, all of that. So it just creates more versatility in this unit. So see how I'm just going to basically cut all the longer pieces. So we finished that. Now we're going to bleach the knots using my 50 volume developer quick blue powder. Mix that together. It's been so long since I did a hair tutorial, so hopefully I am making sense. I let this sit for like an hour, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I be letting this sit for a long time, and wash it out with purple conditioner and shampoo. And now this is the next day, and see how like that yellowish tint on the hair is a little bit more ashier. We love to see it. And here I'm just plucking this unit, just plucking behind the hairline, just in case if I over pluck, it's not too noticeable. But look at the difference. Look at how seamless one side is compared to the unplugged side. This is a chef's kiss. I still got it in me. It's been a while since I did wigs, but best believe I never lose my magic, okay? So now it's time to style this unit. We're gonna take our Garnier Fructis heat protectant, spray that throughout the hair, and then take our Tresemme Ultrafine Hairspray, my 2-inch curling barrel wand or curling barrel. And we're going to curl this unit. I like using the big curler just because it creates more volume and then curls into this unit. And then here I'm pin curling this unit as well, just because I just want maximum volume. Over time the hair will lose its volume, so we just want the max, you know. So after that, it's time to install. Yes, as you can see, look at my skin. Ooh, I am glowing. But I found another song, long overdue, but I found a song, and I'm just gonna play that song while you watch me install this unit. I'll have the artist listed on the top as well, since you guys been asking, and enjoy this video.
Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine, but every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take your. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast
I hope you like that song as much as I did. King Sis always does her thing. But as you can see, I'm taking my wide tooth comb and just combing my hair back. I love the versatility of this layered look because I could put it on its side. This is the final result. Look at how bouncy and cute, and the curls, how it's layered, and just, I'm obsessed. I'm just so proud of, like, you know, my growth within my wig units. See how I can do on both sides, like have a two side parts. Maybe I like this side better. Let me know which side you guys like. The left or the right. I really love this color on me, especially for the summertime. And then let me show you the middle part. As you can see, I'm just parting in the middle, and a trick is just to comb back and then push the hair forward just to have, you know, show the layers off. And this is the middle, but that is basically it, you guys. I want to thank you so much, Unice Hair Company, for letting me try out this gorgeous unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.